Hello, and welcome to Random Tech.
Today, I will be showing you how to earn passive income with staking BONK with daily and monthly income up 2x multiplier. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I will be using Phantom Wallet. So if you don't have it, please do get it at the App Store and fund it with some Solanas. First, we have to get some bonks. Click bottom right web icon and click on Jupiter. Here, we will swap some Solana for BONK tokens. I will be using some small amount of Solana just for the tutorial. The amount you will be investing is up to you. Remember, I am not your financial advisor, so invest on your desired amount. Due to network congestion on Jupiter Swap, I decided to use on bonkswap.io directly. Now once enter your desired amount, click on Swap and sign authorization, then wait for swap complete. Once swap completed, head to bonkrewards.com. Connect your Phantom wallet with the web. As you can see, BONK locked staking has multiple options, such as locked for 1 month period, you will have 1x multiplier, 3 months with 1.4x multiplier, and 6 months with 2x multiplier. I already have some BONK staked, and it allows option to claim the reward daily instead of monthly. But please do remember claiming token will have transaction fees, so daily claim is not advisable. Put in the desired amount to be staked. Then choose the duration you want to stake your BONK for. Then click on Stake to finalize. Once locked, you can check the status at the bottom of the page. Let me give you an example on how this works. I will be staking locked BONK for 1 month with 1x multiplier for the amount of $2, and after 1 month, I will receive $2 of BONK in profit. So total, I will have $4 worth of BONK at end of the month. This if you choose the option of 1 month. If you choose the maximum of 6 months, you will receive more profit. You also will receive a locked BONK token, which will be burned accordingly with the amount you will be claiming. That's it. You have successfully staked your BONK for passive income. I will be putting my Solana wallet down below. Feel free to donate or send me some of your meme coins project tokens. That's all from Random Tech. Happy investing. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to the channel.